awesome A. Do you have a paper and pencil, a whiteboard, and a marker? Let's get started. Today we'll be looking for alligators. Here's what we have to do to find those alligators. Learn what the letter A looks like, learn what it sounds like, and by writing the letter A. Go ahead and grab your binoculars so we can look out for those alligators. Here we have uppercase A or capital A. Let's use our fingers to skywrite. Let's skywrite uppercase A. We're going to start at the bottom, go up, come back down, and then go across. Let's try it again. Ready? Up, down, across. Uppercase or capital A. Here's lowercase a. Lowercase a is a small circle and a small stick. Let's skywrite. Let's skywrite lowercase a. We're going to make a small circle and a stick. Let's try it again. A small circle and a stick. Excellent. Now let's practice writing uppercase A. For uppercase A, I'm going to start at the bottom. I'm going to go up in a slanted line and stop at the top, and then come right back down like a tent. Then I'm going to make a line across the middle. Can you try an uppercase A? You go up in a slanted line and then come right back down and then draw a line across the middle. Nice work. Let's try lowercase a. Lowercase a is a small circle and a small stick that's touching that circle. Let's try again. A small circle and then a small stick that's touching that circle. All right, nice work. Do you see any alligators? I see some. That means we're getting closer. Now, let's talk about what A sounds like. A says, ah, like an alligator. Apple. Ant. Arrow. To make the short A sound, you're going to drop your jaw and say, ah, alligator, ah. Let's take a look at this A poem. It says, A is for apples in an apple tree. A is for alligators looking at me. Here are some other words that begin with that A sound. Ant eater, astronaut, axe. Sometimes we'll hear that A sound in the middle of a word, like in the word cat. At, cat. bag, ag, bag. Nap, app, nap. And cap, app, cap. Can you help me find the words that begin with the a sound? Let's start with this picture. This is an ambulance. A, ambulance. Yes, let's circle this one. How about bike? B, bike. No, bike doesn't start with the a sound. Gum, g, gum. No, I hear g at the beginning. How about ant? Ant. Yes, let's circle ant. Do you hear a when we say arrow? Arrow. Yes. How about pot? Pot. No. Wonderful. Keep an eye out for those alligators. What's in a name? We're going to take a look at some names. If that name has an A in it, we'll give that name a star. If the name does not have an A, it gets a heart. So help me with this first name, Naya. Naya. Do you see any A's in Naya? Correct. There are 2 A's in Naya. That means Naya gets a star. How about Henry? Look at all the letters. Is there an A there? No A in Henry. Henry gets a heart. How about Ella? Ella. There's an A right there at the end of Ella. Ella gets a star. How about Robin? Robin. There's no A in Robin. Robin gets a heart. What about your name? Think about the letters in your name. Do you have an A? If you do, give yourself a star. If your name does not have an A, give yourself a heart. All right, nice work. Let's write. So you can use your whiteboard or you can print these out from my website. Or you can just help me and follow along on the screen. Our first direction says to trace. So I'm going to trace uppercase A and then lowercase a, circle and a stick. All right, the next direction says to color. I'm going to color my uppercase A. Then I'm going to change the color for lowercase a. All right, what does it ask us to do at the bottom? Circle the pictures that start with A. So which pictures should I circle? The first picture is a kangaroo. Kangaroo. No, we're not going to circle kangaroo. What about arrow? Arrow. Yes. What about astronaut? Astronaut. Yes. Ant eater. Ant eater. It sure does. All right. Awesome work. Now it's time to play Reveal the Picture. There's a secret picture hidden underneath, and we'll find what it is as we answer the questions. Here's your first question. Does it start with the A sound? This is an avocado. Avocado. Yes. All right, there's one piece of our picture. How about mop? Mop. No, it doesn't. How about add? Add. Yes, it does. Top. Top. No, top does not have the A sound at the beginning. Astronaut. Astronaut. Yes. How about the word sun? Sun. No, I hear at the beginning. Applesauce. Applesauce. Yes, applesauce starts with the A sound. Acrobats. Acrobats. Yes, acrobats start with the A sound. What's our picture? It's an alpaca. Alpaca also starts with A. All right, you guys did a great job today. You found the alligators. Nice work, learners. Thanks for your help, and I will see you next time for a new lesson.